Howdy folks, again and again. I'm not sure how many times we already um, have revised the same feature here, but because I'm rewriting my in-house GUI for web components, I thought I'm gonna show you this interesting sort of user-friendly, user experience oriented example. So got same three shapes. Obviously, I'm expecting the shape which is presented in the most foreground, the shape that maintains the highest number of idiomatic C index, would appear as a top level element here in the list I'm going to just show you in a moment. So just like give a weak click. Obviously, we have the names that obviously respects one-to-one to the actual color, which is obviously yellow is yellow, green is green, and red is red, right? Another kind of thing, don't call me too much patriotic. Yes, this is Lithuanian flag. This is where I'm from. Not a big deal. Right, and yes, I mean, obviously we could, give something more friendly around, let's say, Konva's API exposed shape, individual shape name. So it could be maybe like, shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, and so on and so forth. It doesn't change the fact what we have represented here. And let's say I'll drag this. Obviously, it's powered by Sortable.js, so all the credits to these guys who make tools for us developers. Let's praise them. Yeah. So, yep. Let's drag behind, and yes, yellow is behind. Sorry, between green and red. Let's see. Looks like that. Let's go behind green and red, and yes, yellow is at the bottom of this GUI exposed list, and obviously it's behind. And maybe I want to push yellow in the middle by pushing red to the very bottom. And yes, let's see, it's in between. And let's bring the green the middle to its previous position. So now we're getting back to normal, but maybe I want green behind all of these shapes here. And I'll be honest with you, it's not a high math here. It's just a bit of ID checking and reordering a few function calls. Obviously, it took me a while to figure out how all this works, but it's about creativity, I guess. And honestly, guys, I'm really recommending to check the Konva.js library. It's versatile and you can do a lot with that. As you probably remember, I shared a couple of examples I was working on periodic functions, and you can just do any stuff. Nowadays, you can just ask ChatGPT for some Bezier curve, let's say, be it pseudocode integrated into Konva, use your in-house or anything like a tweak pane. If it suits your needs and you think it's enough, for me it's not. One of those GUIs, and just fine tune them and play around, see how it goes. It's enormous possibilities basically. So thanks for watching. I guess that's us, and see you in the next one.